This Sunriver Realty property video is presented by Dorr-Fagan. Nestled among majestic pine trees, enjoy the peacefulness of this beautiful 2,800 square foot home in Caldera Springs. Sits on a 0.33 acre lot that adjoins Sable RockPark and overlooking the pond. An incredible floor plan with all the special touches you would expect in a custom home, including a beautiful kitchen and diningarea that opens up to an oversized patio with a gas fire pit and hot tub. Vaulted great room with a floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace, hardwood floors, a mastersuite on the main, heated master bath floors, office/den with barn door, upstairs 2 additional bedrooms, bonus room plus a great bunk room. A wonderful home to gather friends and family. Enjoy all the Caldera Springs amenities. Great rental history. Sold fully furnished with high-end furniture package. For more